Okay, before I go on, I just want to welcome you all tonight here to Pure Energy one more time.
Ladies and gentlemen, hindi ito kasali sa script namin, no? Alam ko kasi ako yung nagsulat ng script. But I don't know if I can finish this show tonight. But what I want to do is I want to do the songs that I know can speak into your hearts.
Huling concert ni Gary Valenciano naputol dahil sa kanyang masamang kondisyon. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Mainit pa rin na pinag-usapan hanggang ngayon ang biglaang naputol na concert ni Gary Valenciano na labis ikinalungkot ng kanyang mga supporters noong Biyernes ng gabi, December 20, 2024 sa Araneta Coliseum.
Okay, before I go on, I just want to welcome you all tonight here to Pure Energy one more time. And I know that some of you noticed that in my hand I have this thing that was plugged in, and that's because I know many have been getting sick lately. Kasama na ako dun sa listahan ngayon. Tonight, we were supposed to have Ogie Alcacid here. But he's not going to be able to make it because he is also under the weather. My son Gabriel is also under the weather, but he'll be here later on, I believe. And even one of my other guests, si Maymay Entrata, habang nagre-rehearse kami, may sakit din siya. So this was of course obviously not part of the first one that we had, you know, Pure Energy. Sige, ako na bahala dyan. Thank you. So,
Ngunit ayon sa misis ni Gary Valenciano na si Angelica Pangilinan, na 2 oras bago ang concert ay sunod-sunod ang pagsusuka na di umano ay may nakain itong ipinagbawal na siyang naging dahilan ng kanyang pagsusuka at panghihina, at dagdag pa nga dito ay ang kanyang iba't ibang karamdaman tulad ng kanyang type 1 diabetes, kung saan madalas itong magka-seizure o paninigas o panginginig ng katawan. Kung matatandaan ay sumailalim na rin si Gary Valenciano ng heart at kidney operation, ngunit pagdating sa entablado at harap ng kamera ay akalain mong healthy at walang sakit ang tinaguriang Mr. Pure Energy dahil sa kanyang dedikasyon sa trabaho bilang performer at pagmamahal sa kanyang mga tagahanga. Makikita mo nga sa umpisa ng nasabing concert na masiglang-masigla pa si Gary Valenciano na sumabay pa ng sayaw sa mga kasama nito. Ngunit sa kalagitnaan nga ay dito na nakaramdam ng panghihina ang bitiranong performer na si Gary V, na kung mapansin mo ay napayoko ito sa kanyang inuupuan.
I have never faced this kind of situation before where wala na akong ibang ginawa kundi mag-throw up lang sa likod ng mag-throw up. And so I got dehydrated and they had to rehydrate me. So, yung nasa utak ko ngayon, I'll be very vulnerable with all of you. Anyway, you guys are here now. There's a part of my brain that's saying, wala na to, Hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya gawin. But my spirit wants to believe that kaya nga nandito tayo ngayon dahil sabi ni Lord, itong nangyayari. This is what's going to happen. He knew I was going to have a tough time tonight. And I'm expecting nothing less than for Him to deliver upon His promises. Dahil kahit kailan naman, hindi niya ako iniiwan na nag-iisa. He's never done that. And I don't think tonight's going to be the first night that He does this. However, if at some point in time, I also feel Him saying, Gary, this is the first time your concert is going to be like this, where you won't be able to finish it, but you'll still be able to speak into people's hearts. Do as I lead you. And I'm going to do that.
No, keep that light on. You know, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ito kasali sa script namin, no? Alam ko kasi ako yung nagsulat ng script. But I don't know if I can finish this show tonight. But what I want to do is I want to do the songs that I know can speak into your hearts. It breaks my heart to know that we have prepared so much for all of you. But the body is saying, Gary, be cautious, Gary. You have many more years to go.
Bago nga dinala si Gary Valenciano sa ospital, ay nagbigay pa ito ng mensahe sa mga audiences na umatin sa nasabing concert na labis ang pag-alala ng kanyang mga tagahanga. Pagkatapos ng mensahe niyang ito, kinanta pa ni Gary Valenciano ang kanyang final song na Take Me Out of the Dark para sa buong kwento. Narito ating panorin ang video. Narito ang video.
There's more, but it's somewhat another direction. So, you wanna know? Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart. To lean on my own understanding. Yes, I just forget. You won't give me what I can bear. Take me out of the dark. I don't wanna be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. May your glory be my own. God bless you. Thank you.
Bumubuti na ang kondisyon ng OPM icon na si Gary Valenciano pero nananatili pa rin siya sa ospital. Ayon po yan sa asawang si Angeli Pangilinan. Sa Facebook post ni Angeli ngayong Sabado, sinabing lahat ng vitals ng singer ay normal. Maayos din ang kanyang sugar level, blood pressure at creatinine pero nanghihina pa rin matapos makaranas ng sunod-sunod na pagsusuka kagabi. Patuloy na nagpapahinga ang singer at ipinagdarasal nila ang nakatakdang concert nito sa linggo. Base sa mga naunang Facebook post ni Angeli, ilang oras bago ang Pure Energy concert ni Gary sa Araneta Coliseum Biyernes ng gabi, ilang beses na nagsuka ang singer dahil sa kanyang nakain at na-dehydrate. Sinimulan pa ni Gary ang concert at nakapag-perform ng 6 na kanta, pero sa kalagitnaan ng concert, inanunsyo ni Mr. Pure Energy na hindi na niya maipagpapatuloy ang concert. Nagdesisyon ang kanyang team na dalhin agad siya sa ospital.
Hey guys, I'm getting better. Good people taking care of me. I'll be okay, don't worry. God bless.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!